I'm Nayana Manori, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SVIT, Bangalore. I'm the course coordinator for Advanced Surveying. Module 3, Curves. The chainage of the intersection of two strides having the deflection angle of 50 degree is 1680.50 meter. If the radius of the curve is 450 meter, calculate the following. First one is tangent length, length of curve, chainage of PC and PT. PC is what? Point of curve and point of tangency. Length of long chord, degree of curve, apex distance and mid-ordinate. These are all what? Elements of a simple circular curve. You need to calculate one by one the elements of a simple circular curve. Okay. First write down the data. So you can observe here deflection angle, it is denoted by capital delta, that is 50 degree, and chainage of intersection they have given, that is CI, it is denoted by 1680.50 meter. These are all the data they have given. You need to calculate one by one the elements of a simple circular curve. Okay. First one element, that is tangent length. You need to calculate the first element, that is what? Tangent length. Okay. The tangent length, it is denoted by capital T. The equation is given by R into tan of delta divided by 2. Substitute the value, that is R value also they have given. Write down the data, that is R, it is 450 meter. They have given in the problem. Okay. R value, it is 450 multiplied by tan of delta value, it is 50 divided by 2. This is the formula to calculate tangent length of a simple circular curve. Okay. Then you will get it as T equal to 209.84 meter. This is what? The tangent length. Okay. Next elements of a simple circular curve is what? Length of curve. Okay. Length of curve, it is denoted by small l. You can write it here, T tangent length. Okay. Length of curve, the equation it is given by L equal to pi into R into delta divided by 180 degree. Substitute the value, pi into R value, it is 450 and the deflection value, it is 50 divided by 180. Okay. Then upon simplification, you will get the L value as 392.70 meter. This is what? Length of the curve. Okay. Next move on to third elements of a simple circular curve, that is chainage of PC and PT. Okay. Chainage of PC, that is what? Point of curve, that will be equal to chainage of intersection minus tangent length. Chainage of intersection they have given. Okay, chainage of intersection, it is 1680.50 and the tangent length, it is 209.84. Okay, and you will get it as 1470.66 meter. This is what? Chainage of point of curve. Okay, next you need to calculate chainage of intersection, chainage of point of tangency. Chainage of PT, that will be equal to chainage of PC, okay, that is chainage of PC plus length of curve. Okay, chainage of PC is 1470.66 plus length of curve you calculated 392.70. Okay, upon simplification you will get it point of tangency as 1863.36 meter. Next is length of long chord. Okay, it is given by capital L equal to 2 into R sine of delta divided by 2. Substitute the value, that is 2 into R value, it is 450 into sine of delta value, it is 50 divided by 2. Upon simplification, you will get it L value as 380.36 meter. This is what? Length of the long chord. Okay. Next is what? In addition to that, you need to calculate degree of curve. Degree of curve. Okay. It is denoted by D. There are two definitions are there, by arc definition and chord definition. Degree of curve by the arc definition, A indicate arc definition, it is given by 1718.9 divided by R. That will be equal to, substitute the value 1718.9 divided by 450 and you will get it degree of curve by the arc definition as 3.82 degree. Okay. Next one is apex distance. Apex distance, next element of a simple circular curve. Okay. Apex distance, it is denoted by, that is capital E, it is given by R into secant delta divided by 2 minus 1. Okay. Substitute the value, R value it is 450 into secant of delta value it is 50 divided by 2 minus 1. And calculate the apex distance E value as, that is 46.52, you will get it. That is what your apex distance. Okay. Then the last elements of a simple circular curve, that is what? Mid ordinate. Mid ordinate. Mid ordinate, it is denoted by M, it is given by R into 1 minus cos of delta divided by 2. Substitute the value 450 into 1 minus cos of 50 divided by 2. Upon simplification, you will get mid ordinate as M equals to 42.16 meter. Mid ordinate. Thank you.